No, no. Sava, no. Because it's New Yorker. What do you want to say to Joe Biden?
You like how they say, when you get in a car wreck and then you tell TikTok first before calling the police.
Red meat and stuff, and I like my red meat, so I'm gonna stay away from a lot of things and try to do better.
And then for all, sometimes for us, have a hot fat line, especially if they're home.
We're gonna get back in that park.
So, just keep it
We're gonna do walks around the house. And I take that every day.
Is there anything else we can do for you?
So now we're gonna do.
Well, we've gotten all your discharge stuff together, so your nurse should be in here soon, but I want to make sure that this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, and be well.
Gotta do it.
Look wild.
Photo bomb. Photo bomb. Wayne the Rock Johnson.
What's in my apple barrel?
Apple barrel? What's going on, guys? Back here with another vlog. You see how we doing today, and you know, we're just chilling. Here goes Rocky. Yeah, she's saying, "What's up, guys?" Let's see how this sound real quick. I like it. And then it's heavy duty.
Look at oxygen everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. This is ridiculous. Y'all ain't seen this one in a while. That's that Turkish treat. Y'all know who that one is? Yeah. But anyway, she's checking out her nose. Look at my rollator over there, guys. Today is the Super Bowl. When to put on her red hat. Nah, I'm just playing.
My nose bleeding.
Okay, guys. We got the SWAT in there. This is the 440 stainless blue blade tactical master sword. And today we will be chopping potatoes. We're gonna see how well this chops the potato.
Don't put it on.
Hey.
Don't put that on there, mama. You want problems. Give here.
I don't want peace, I want problems.
Who wants to be chopping?
Okay, I'm gonna throw it to CC.
No, we're gonna chop you.
We're gonna do both. Go back. Move.
Go back.
You better get out of the way.
Go back, Mark.
So I'm gonna toss the potato. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Get it cut.
Move it, Stormy.
Let's see what it did. Uh-oh. Look at that nice clean cut. Let's see. Let's get the replay, guys. Yeah, we'll see. Do it half and half.
Ooh, I want to try to stick it. Throw it high in the air.
Let's try it again. We're going to see. Do it half and the half.
Go back, son. Go back. Scoot. Scoot.
Move it. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Did it happen? Uh-oh. I think it did it. Come out there. Come over. Okay. Now. Hey.
Eat it, Scully.
All right. See?
I thought I could do a stick it out of them.
Yeah. Good job.
You eat it for real?
I was rudely interrupted or rudely recorded. I ended up making a shake. Strawberry shake, strawberries, heavy cream, silk milk, sugar sweetener. Pressure, y'all. Very, very good. I'm gonna have to make another one. God damn. I'm gonna have to make another one. So, y'all can see it, you know, from the beginning, but I done drunk all this, y'all. Good.
That's probably. Come on, let's put this sleep. Come on, let's go to sleep. Let's fly the airplane.
Ooh. You don't like that plane? I like airplane. Oh. Oh yeah. Content. Study.
Oh, Lord, okay.
Sava. Cece, you watching TV with them?
No. Oh, do I want to?
Oh, what they doing?
Yeah.
No. Sava, no.
What is on?
He trying to. What? What? You need to stop. What you gotta say about it, sir? Huh? What that precious baby saying?
It's not like you.
He good.
Son of baby. You can't see me do my dad. Pull that pistol out of my pants. I'm chopping my head. Right in the 6.
He was dead on arrival. Come on, just say that.
That's a stupid lamp. I don't got time for this.
Well, what is your
Boy, put that spit in your mouth. Put that spit in your mouth.
You nasty.
16.
Hey, stop.
Ah! And it's white. Hurry up, 16.
Stop.
It's on his shirt. Stop it, no. No. You going home. No. No. Man.
Stop doing that.
WSYND. Now I said my ABCs. Tell me what you want from me.
5,
Good for no
4, 3.
7, 8, 9,
Let him do it.
10, 11,
Let him do
12,
it. 13, 14, 8, 7, 5. One, 2, 3.
Where you going?
No, let him down. He communicate well with you. I don't know why they could do this. Log. Or leave.